How do you feel about exponential growth and decay? Well, these problems are getting more complex, so they're not as straightforward as they used to be. Let's take a look at this exponential growth problem. We have the population of somewhere in China, and it's modeled by P of t is equal to 1.1. Remember, that's the initial value, times 1.066. This means it's growing at a rate of 6.6% per year, where t represents the number of years after 1990. So which of the following equations best models the population where n is the number of years after 1995? So you have to be very careful. We still have the initial value, which is 1.1. And this 1.066, between 1990 and 1995, this happened 5 times. Does that make sense? Right? From 1990 to 1995, that happened 5 different times. Now we're looking at t is the number of years after 1990, but they want to know the number of years after 1995. And n is the number of years after 1995. So we are just going to multiply this by 1.066 raised to the n. We don't need to worry about subtracting 5 or anything because it's just the number of years after 1995. So here the answer is C.